guess y'all can come on a walk in the Redwoods with me. Oh man, you know, I walked by that monster yesterday and I didn't even notice it. Wonder how many more of those there are. Not too many. Oh man, and it's alive. So this thing grew up, fell down, and grew up again. That's absolutely wild. You know, I wonder if it is the same tree or if another tree literally rooted into the dead tree. I can't really tell from here. But that's pretty wild. Let's see if... Yeah. I think it might be the same tree. But what a monster, dude. You could easily, like, trying to give an idea of the size here. Probably 10-foot diameter. Maybe 16 at the very bottom. Absolutely massive. And then we got pretty yellow flowers. We got ferns. It's pretty lit. I always liked the woods in Northern California. That was just the end of it.